are selecting the wine tonight that is going to be in the scene that is going to be shot inside Zapatas in the film of Bomberia. So we thought we would give you some clues about the mystery of the story in Bomberia. This is another clue right here. First of all, we're launching our production house called Beautiful Bay Entertainment. That's the first thing we're launching. Secondly, we're launching a director who's looking embarrassed. Pia Sukanya, her first film. She owns Beautiful Bay Entertainment as well and made the great mistake of marrying me. So this is a Indo-British co-production of a kind. A few years ago, she came up with a story. Where's Aarti Bagri? Aarti Bagri had her phone stolen on the streets of Bombay, and in the same day, she got the phone back. And this story is what gave us our inspiration to write a comic thriller called Bomberia, a Hindi film which is meant to do very well in India and interest people abroad into Hindi cinema. Just like Queen and The Lunchbox have done very well abroad, we also see this film traveling abroad. So I'm here tonight representing Creo Films, K-R-E-O Films. You'll find the name in the press release. Now, Creo Films are a Dubai-based film company, and I've asked them to back a Hindi film called Bomberia. The people behind Creo Films have made 53 international films, and their first experiment in India is Bomberia. So I see this film as the beginning of internationalizing Hindi cinema. So I'm very proud to be involved, and I'm very proud to bring foreign investment into a Hindi film. So now I'm handing over to Pia Sukanya.
When any of us leave our house in this crazy city of ours, we all of us have an agenda. We have something to do, something to achieve. And very often this beautiful city of ours has an uncanny way of screwing that plan up. You either are stuck in traffic, or there's some kind of accident, or there's something that will go wrong. And it's a daily struggle to survive at any level in this city, and there is no safety net. The city doesn't provide us a safety net. The government, the state doesn't provide us a safety net. The safety net is actually us. We're each other's safety net. And that's the essence of what this film is really about. It's a story that has a bunch of strangers who are preoccupied with their own agendas, their own preoccupations of the day. And at the end of the day, they have to get on each other's page. They have to forget about their own preoccupations and step back for a second and feel compassion for somebody else's problem. And if you think about it, none of us do that really on a day-to-day basis. Do we stop when we see something on the road that's a problem? No, we're too busy, we're too wrapped up. These people are not necessarily altruistic, that they're stopping and helping for because they're wonderful people. They're normal human beings like you and me, who are forced into this situation to get involved in each other's mess. And what happens is something incredibly beautiful, that they have to start to understand each other's problem. Bomberia is the city of Bombay, of course. Mumbai, excuse me, is the city of Mumbai that we know and we recognize. It's hard, and it's slaps you around all the time. And yet Bomberia is slightly magical. There is an immediacy to the story. There is a feeling of, yes, this is really happening. Oh my God, what if this were happening to me? And you suddenly, and you know, it's a comedic thriller, but it's a comedic thriller in the way that it's situational. So you go, haha, you know, oh my God, that could actually happen. It's bizarre and it's wacky, but it's really, really relatable.
So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, basically, I think the first thing I'd like to say is that I'm very happy to be a part of this film with Michael and Pia. Of course, primarily because I really like the film and I really like the script and I'm super excited about it. B, because I love collaborations and British, I mean, London and whatever, England and India is one of my favorites. So that's B. Why is that? And C is, I am a big fan of women directors. And it's only twice in my life that I've actually been able to have a woman director to work with. And this is the third time. And I think more women need to start making films, and you know, they should increase their own number in every department of every occupation, really. So I think as a woman director, what my little experience has taught me is that they have a different point of view on different levels of filmmaking or whatever that they do. And there's a lot to learn about that process, and it doesn't just remain about that film. It's about a lot more, lot of other things around it as well, because I think that's what is a special quality that they bring in with them. So that's, having said that, now I play this, I play the part of a PR agent, and my name is Meghna. So I'll be watching you, and I'll be observing. So it's been great because since Badlapur released, I've been pushed into PR, you know, having to do PR and interviews. So I was like, this is great because now I have to play a PR agent. So all the good and bad things that I have sort of taken, I could use them. So it's actually really exciting for me. And so basically, as she said, it's a story of this girl who's come to Mumbai, Bombay. She works here and she's having a really bad day, which is mostly every day, isn't it? In our lives, it starts with a bad day. She's having a really bad day, and then because of some reason, she meets a few strangers, which again we meet every day. But this time it's just that she has to pay attention. And that all these strangers meet each other, and how that sort of changes a few things in their lives and doesn't change a few things in their lives at all. So, but that, like how somebody told me once, that whoever you meet in your life, however insignificant you think the person is, it's never insignificant actually. That does make something, makes a mark in your life. So I think this is one of the things that happened to her, all the others, you know. And I think it just makes you realize how quick you are to judge others. I mean, we always complain, and as actors we always do, that people judge you constantly. And you're always on, everywhere they're looking and they're judging and they're commenting. But I think we do the same as human beings, because the city is like that. You know, it just forces you to do that. You just get into that rut. And I think so the best thing about this script, the first time I read it, was the relatability, because I could instantly relate to it. And I thought that, you know, these are the things that we feel or we think about every day. And I was really hoping that to do something which had something to do with that. So I think I could just use my energy in actually doing something that I think about every day almost. So yeah, I think that's all I can say about my character at this point of time. Reveal. But yeah, I'm super excited, and we start the journey soon now, in like 2-3 days. And I'm also very excited to work with Akshay and Siddhant, because I've never worked with them before. I've seen their work, and yeah, we've been bonding really well. So thank you very much for coming.
A lot of good content, you know, to look forward to from these two. So I'm very excited to be a part of their first journey. As Radhika said, this is actually a second time that I get to work with a female director. I do think that female directors add a different quality, especially when they're directing men, because they look at men from a different perspective, or maybe how they would like the man to be. So that's very exciting, actually. I'm looking forward to that. I think she's written a beautiful part for me to play as well. Abhishek is probably the most endearing character I'll get a chance to play. And you know, the innocence that the character has, you know, in this journey of one day is what really attracted me to the part. Very rarely do you get parts like this which are kind of, you know, you can show a little bit of vulnerability, or you know, you're not perfect. And it's a very relatable character in that sense. I'm very excited to work with a great cast. I've seen, as she said, I've seen all their work, and you know, I'm really excited. I think acting is more cricket, you know, or tennis. If your opponent is good, you'll play better. So I'm very excited to have that challenge and work with these two and learn a whole lot from everybody. And I guess about the story you've heard enough, so I think you know, I'll save that for a different time. Brian, thanks for coming, and here's Siddhant.
So I was actually one of the first people to be casted for this film a couple of years ago. The script is a hero of a film, that's what I believe, and I haven't actually read such a gripping story in one day, like a couple of days over a span in Mumbai, till I read Bomberia. I'm a strong believer of energy, and the energy I got from these two strangers who one day came to my life, Michael and Pia, was just amazing and so positive that that script with these people was not going anywhere from my hand. I'm really proud to be a part of such a strong, realistic script. It's like something in Mumbai or Bombay, like it's mentioned in the film. जो होता है रोज सबके जिंदगी में होता है, आपके जिंदगी में हो सकता है, आपके जिंदगी में हो सकता है, जो बदल सकती है, आप किसको मिल सकते हो, और कुछ हादसा हो सकता है आपके साथ. So the way these people have carved in the points and the characters that are played by you know, all of us is just so real and so magical that I'm actually curious to watch this film more than shoot it. You know, it's my part. I actually cannot reveal much about it, but it's a part played by a boy who's not from Bombay, जो बाहर से आया है और बॉम्बे में फिट होने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कपड़े वैसे पहन रहा है बॉम्बे लोग के जैसे, और ये कर रहा है वो कर रहा है, और एक दिन उसके साथ भी कुछ हो जाता है और उसकी ज़िंदगी बदल जाती है. एक डिलीवरी बॉय है जो बॉम्बे से नहीं है, जो मध्य प्रदेश, अहमदाबाद, प्रॉब्ली यू नो नॉर्थ वो एरिया का है, और इस शख्स की मुलाकात होती है स्ट्रेंजर्स से, और कैसे उनकी जर्नी आगे बढ़ती है वो आप फिल्म में ज़रूर देखिए. ऑफ कोर्स as Radhika mentioned, we've been bonding a lot, and it's amazing to be working with such brilliant actors. I mean, you can learn from them. Collaboration with someone from the UK and these amazing actors with a great script, I think can work and will work. And I'm really looking forward to playing my part in this film. Yeah, thank you for coming. And
बहुत खुशी हुई मुझे यहाँ आके. जब पिया और माइकल ने मुझे कहा कि आप मेरी पिक्चर कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे पुराने दिनों की याद आई, जो कोई आपके लैपटॉप कुछ नहीं होता था, ना तो स्क्रिप्ट होती थी, कहते थे तुम्हारी पिक्चर कर रहे हो. मैंने कहा हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ भाई. और मुझे लगता है ये इस वजह से है क्योंकि मैंने फ्रेडरिक से इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, तो उन्होंने कहा भी इसका क्या करें, इसको रोल ही दे देते हैं पिक्चर में. तो मैंने कहा चलो भैया ठीक है, मैं रोल कर दूंगा. और फिर काफ़ी मुलाकात हुई हमारे बीच में, और मैंने स्क्रिप्ट भी, पिया ने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाया और माइकल से भी हम इकट्ठे हो गए, दोस्ती हो गई. अभी आज ही मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि मैं इस पिक्चर में क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैंने पिया से पूछा, मैंने कहा प्रेस के लोग आए, कुछ तो बता दो मुझे कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा भैया, क्या कहूँगा. तो अभी उन्होंने मुझे कहानी सुनाई, और मैं आप लोगों के मुझे बहुत गर्व हुआ कि मैं ये रोल कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपको कुछ बता नहीं सकता हूँ, राज की बात है. जैसे माइकल ने कहा ये ट्रेजर है जो ढूंढेंगे, तो अगर मैं आप इस पिक्चर में आप मुझे ढूंढ पाएंगे तो गनीमत होगी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद होगा आपका. लेकिन मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि मेरे नज़दीक, मेरे बगल में ये साहब सिद्धांत बैठा हुआ है, जिसके पिताजी के साथ मैंने कई फिल्में की हैं. शक्ति कपूर के साथ मैंने बहुत फिल्में की हैं, और मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि उनके पुत्र के साथ मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ. तो और आप भी बैठे हैं, एंड दिस मतलब नई पीढ़ी के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत बहुत गर्व है, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप दोनों का और आप सबका यहाँ आने के लिए. उम्मीद है कि आपको ये पिक्चर पसंद आएगी, लेकिन अब हम बनाने वाले हैं इस पिक्चर को, और एक और बार मैं आप सब
रिस्क क्या है, मतलब उसमें कुछ पता मुझे. I've never planned anything before, and Bambaria I've signed before Badlapur came out and anything. And I'm a big fan of collaborations. So this is a UK and Indian collaboration. I really like the script, and Pia and I really get along. I do understand how the way she thinks, and so I think that. आई डोंट नो यार, रिस्क क्या होता है. मतलब आप बड़ी सी बड़ी फिल्म करो, वो भी बड़ी सी बड़ी फिल्म करो वो भी गिर सकती है, और छोटी सी छोटी फिल्म करो वो भी बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो सकती है. स्टोरी लाइन है ज़्यादा कुछ बता नहीं सकती. जितना हमने बताया अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उतना ही बता सकती हूँ. मैं जो किरदार निभा रही हूँ उनका नाम है मेघना. वो PR एजेंट है, और एक दिन ऐसे ही बुरा दिन चल रहा है, वो जा रही है कहीं और कुछ तो होता है, तो कुछ शी मीट्स सम स्ट्रेंजर्स, एंड बेसिकली हाउ दैट थिंग चेंजेस हर लाइफ. इट्स एक्चुअली अ रियली फनी फिल्म. इट्स रियली कॉमिक ride of those 2 days, and everything happens very fast, and there's a lot to say about a few things. The film talks about a lot of things, and you'll know as in when. I think Bombay में जो हम सब I think हम सब लोगों के बारे में है, जो हम काम में इतने मतलब preoccupied रहते हैं ना कि we don't think about anything else. We're so self-involved about the work, and nothing else matters. Things have to happen on time. क्योंकि उसको फ़ोन करना है, ये काम करना है, आज ये करना है, और वो नहीं हुआ तो बहुत, और नहीं होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द सिटी, द वे द सिटी इज़, द ट्रैफिक, द दिस, द दैट, एंड द स्ट्रेस लेवल गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग एवरी डे. पीपल हियर आर सो स्ट्रेस्ड, and so it's about the people who are like that, people like us literally, and it's about their everyday life.
वर्सेटाइल रोल कर रही हैं आप, उसमें अलग यहाँ अलग फिर इसमें अलग, तो कितना डिफरेंट प्रिपरेशन करना होता है मेंटली?
ये मैं पता था मुझे ये रोल करने वाली थी. मैं 2 महीनों से अभी PR सब चालू है. हंटर का था और फिर बदलापुर का. तो आई विल ट्राई टू इंटरेक्ट मोर विद द PR एजेंट्स एंड अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दे फंक्शन. यू अंडरस्टैंड एनीवे व्हेन यू इंटरेक्ट विद देम कॉन्स्टेंटली. So I think that's something that I'm trying, and I also don't want the character to be too cliche, you know. So me and Pia and I are working on something that.
तो ये फिल्म है, एक जर्नी है बॉम्बेरिया करके. बॉम्बे इटसेल्फ एज अ सिटी इज़ क्वाइट अ राइड. सबका पता है, whoever lives here knows कि कितनी दिक्कतें होती हैं दिन भर. ये एक दिन की कहानी है. आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर कॉल्ड अभिषेक. इज़ वेरी इनोसेंट कैरेक्टर, बहुत खुला है. एक्चुअली शायद वो गुड लुकिंग भी है, लेकिन उसको लड़कियाँ मिलती नहीं है. सो दैट्स अ बिग फ्रस्ट्रेशन फॉर हिम कि बॉम्बे में रहते हुए भी मुझे लड़कियाँ नहीं मिलती. एंड वन फाइन डे ही इज़ वॉकिंग अराउंड एंड देख रहा है, नोटिस इज एन एक्सीडेंट ऑन द रोड. और एक खूबसूरत सी लड़की है, एंड इट्स राधिका आप्टे, एंड शी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, एंड आई एम इमीडिएटली अट्रैक्टेड. तो उसकी जो भी जर्नी है दिन की, आई जॉइन दैट, एंड उसके दौरान वी फॉल इन लव. इट्स अ क्रेजी फन फिल्म. इट्स अ ग्रेट स्क्रिप्ट, एंड आई थिंक कि आजकल ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए. एज वी नोटिसिंग द बॉक्स ऑफिस, इवन फिल्म्स दैट हैव गुड कंटेंट आर वर्किंग इन नथिंग एल्स. So I think it's important, high time that actors choose content versus anything else. So that is what I'm excited. So I mean, you'll see me now a lot next year. I hope several films that I'm doing. Got very lucky after Pizza. जो मैं कह रहा था actually about the industry now, 2 साल पहले that was not possible. If your film doesn't do well at the box office, आपको काम नहीं मिलता. And that's what happened with इसी लाइफ में. Maybe the film wasn't noticed, so I went back to theatre. फिर मैंने TV किया join MBR के साथ, और वहाँ से मुझे Pizza मिली. And Pizza at least was a UTV film, it got noticed and people noticed me, इसलिए काम मिल गया. But for an actor like me, this would not have been possible 2-2.5 साल पहले. It's happening now, and I am an example of it. So it's a very exciting time, and definitely you'll see me in several films I promise next year.
ये मेरा जो किरदार है ये बम्बेरिया में, ये बहुत ही एक शख्स है जो आउट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र का है, आउट बॉम्बे का नहीं है, जो दूसरे स्टेट से आया है यहाँ पर काम करने. वो बॉम्बे के हालात भी जानता है, फिट इन करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बट वो नहीं हो पा रहा है ज़्यादा, बट हो गया है टुवर्ड्स द एंड. लेकिन उसके ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा दिन आता है जो उसके लिए सब कुछ बदल देता है. तो
आपसे क्या टिप्स ले रहे हैं?
वो तो घर पे डेडिकेशन जो हमारे जो बुजुर्ग एक्टर्स हैं जो 80s से 70s से है, जो डेडिकेशन उनमें है वो बहुत नेसेसरी है। वो काम अच्छा होता है, टैलेंट अच्छा दिखता है, तो यही मैंने अपने पिताजी से सीखा। मैं बहुत सपोर्ट करता हूँ, मेरी बहन है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। 50% बैटल मेरी ज़िंदगी की भाई मैंने जीत ली है कि मेरी बहन एक सुपरस्टार हो गई है। तो जस्ट एक जो भाई गर्व है मुझे। Those are the films I am actually looking to do, because Indian cinema has been opened recently to a lot of different cinema, like this collaboration like Bomberia. Everyone is watching different films. You can see Queen, you can see Ugly, the one I was also in a part of. People are open to watching even realistic cinema, artist cinema, commercial and artist cinema together. So yeah, I mean, there's a very good time to be in the industry, I think, and I would love to capitalize on that. हाँ, जज्बा एक ऐसी कहानी है जो मेरे जो पहले डायरेक्टर है, माय फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर संजय गुप्ता, ही इज डायरेक्टिंग फिल्म। It's a very different script compared to all his other films, like always very like action packed and guns and styling and this. ये वैसी नहीं है, ये बहुत अलग फिल्म है। ये एक फिल्म है जो वो काफ़ी सालों से उनके दिमाग में चल रही है बात, और ऐसा स्टार कास्ट जो है, इरफान जी, ऐश्वर्या मैम, शबाना जी, it's amazing. I mean, it's just an honor to be just be in the same frame with these amazing human beings and actors.